Tired of wasting money on ads that don't deliver? We get it. You want results, not empty clicks. That's where we come in. Our clients are getting noticed with PPC smarter ads, better leads, and quicker results. Check out how it's working for them. $15 million plus in ad spend managed, 50,000 plus leads generated, 900% plus ROAS delivered. Your success story could be next. How do we do it? It's simple. We create personalized PPC campaigns that give you the results you want. No wasted budgets, just strategies that convert. And did we mention that 95% of our clients are happy with the results?
Before working with Silver Ant Marketing, our website hardly got any visitors. Now we're ranking higher, getting more bookings, and connecting with more pet owners across Canada. They didn't just make promises, they made it happen.
I've hired them for all 4 of their major services that they offer: SEO, PPC, SMM, and email marketing. Dallas Designer Handbags' presence on social media has increased rapidly ever since I started working with Silver Ant Marketing, which has in turn also improved the credibility of my business. The teams at SAM are very friendly and professional, and they always keep me updated on all ongoing projects and campaigns.
We're serious about your success. Ready to stop guessing and start seeing results? Let's work together and help your business succeed with PPC that actually works. Let's do this. Why settle for less when you can have PPC campaigns that really make a difference? Let's chat and turn your ad spend into real profit.